Hi everyone! Welcome back to Lina's Pretend Play.
In this video,
We will talk about
master the Tangram
geometrics
shapes.
and how 7 simple pieces can create a universe of possibilities.
Yep.
Move to next slide. So Lina, what is a tangram?
A Tangram is a puzzle
Consisting
consisting
of
7 flat geometric shapes.
So basically it has a 7 flat geometric shapes.
Like this, I'll put the number.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7. So tangram has a 7 pieces. So what are they?
Square.
Let's focus on that.
So there's 1 square.
So 1 square, good. 1 parallelogram, good.
Or like this, whatever. And then
5 triangles.
So this is a medium one. These are the small ones, the 2 small ones. And then here are the 2 large ones.
So 2 small triangles, 1 medium triangles, and 2 large triangles.
Yep.
Anything else? So that will be 7. So universe of possibilities. You can make. Okay,
The 7 pieces can be arranged to create a
variety
of different shapes and designs from animals, birds,
fishes, and people.
and people.
So
But there's like, this is all animals. Oh, I like the bull. And this one.
So basically, Lina, with the tangram, you can make anything.
Yeah, in this video, we are going to draw an awesome
draw some geometric shapes using
Tangram basic shapes.
Okay.
So these are the shapes. And then if you want to do this experiment, it's really cool. You have to make a square, like it has to be a square, not a full paper. But you have to cut it.
So that kind of shapes, and then you cut it into pieces.
Well, we have a paper that shows the answers. I'm going to see the rectangle, okay? But I tried this. I done it already.
Yeah.
But you guys, if you say you could, after I'm done this, you guys could pause the video again and see if I'm right.
Yeah. So using those 7 pieces, we're gonna complete this rectangle. Let's see how Lina gonna do it.
So
first you
have to make a line.
So triangle, big triangle.
And just wait, guys. I'll show you, because
2 triangles, right? 1, 2. Then a square. Then this.
Oh wait, I need to make the square more bigger.
That's the square.
Square.
Then triangle.
No, I'm gonna do this one first.
So what is that?
That's the small triangle. This one.
Okay, then parallelogram.
Parallelogram, yeah.
No, it will touch it with the curve.
Oh.
Yeah, and then 1 triangle.
Yeah.
So 7 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yep.
There you go.
That's how you do it. Now you can pause the video.
And then you can try it at home.
This is how I did it. This.
Good.
So I did it right.
So now the next is parallelogram. So how we can use those all 7 pieces to complete a parallelogram. Let's see, Lina, how can we make that?
It's very easy.
Oh.
Like how you did it, the rectangle is the same thing.
Same thing as a parallelogram?
It's basically the same thing. You take, I'm just going to tell you the answer, but I'm not going to push it.
More you practice?
You take the top one, the top box, and then you move it to this place, and then you just take out the big triangles and put it on the sides.
Okay, good.
Easy.
It's hard for me. I have to
It's
focus.
easy.
I don't know how to do it. I think I need more practice, Lina. Okay. So you got the two big triangles. Then you have a small triangles. Then
Is
you
that
got a
right?
parallelogram.
Is that right?
Yeah. And then you need to get the square.
Oh yeah, the square.
And then one small triangle.
And then the medium.
There
Sorry.
you go. See? More you practice, more you be master.
And then I did it right.
Voila. There you go. That's the fun way to engage with the children, and then fun way to learn about the shapes.
Yep.
Now the next one is triangle.
We got very confused on this one. I had to peek here. We got so confused.
Okay, so how we can complete by using those all shapes, 7 shapes. Complete a triangle.
So this is
you
the first
gotta-
part. Make a big line through the middle.
Mhm.
Then right here, put that.
So
The
you
two
have
big
a-
triangles are there.
You got a 2 big triangle, yeah.
And then there's one small triangle.
triangle.
That's the small one.
Yeah. Now you skip square.
Square.
No,
Oh,
no,
wait,
no.
wait, no, no, no,
No,
wait,
no,
wait.
no. This
Wait.
one triangle. This triangle.
The medium triangle.
Mhm.
And then the square.
Square.
It's sideways, okay?
Yeah, then triangle. This triangle. And then parallelogram.
Wait, what?
Triangle.
Oh.
Parallelogram.
Okay.
Okay. So there you go. It's completed triangle. And let's see the answer. Yeah.
So I am right.
Yeah.
You guys pause the video. I'm going too fast.
Yeah. There you go. It's the same thing here. Next.
It's a triangle.
What shape is this?
It's a trapezoid.
Patrick. There is a mistake. Technical
It's
problem.
a very mistake.
Yeah.
It's
Trapezoid.
It's not triangle. It is
Trapezoid.
trapezoid.
So let's see how Lena gonna complete trapezoid by using all those 7 steps. Yep. Ready?
Very easy.
It's very easy. Let's see how you can do it. So first,
Same thing
Same thing.
as the rectangle. Actually, same thing as the
What are triangles?
Oh, parallelogram. It's the same thing as the parallelogram,
Yeah.
except you have to change the right one to that. It's so easy.
Okay, so 2 big triangle.
Yeah, the right here.
Yeah. Then 1 medium triangle.
I don't tell me.
Yeah. Okay, I don't tell you. This smart.
I am very smart.
Oh yeah. Another triangle, small triangle, then a square.
Seriously?
Good. Next, a small triangle.
So we're right here, right?
Yeah, this small triangle. And then
That's it.
parallelogram. Here you go. It's completed trapezoid, not a
Yep.
triangle. Next, let's see if she's right.
Yep.
Good. High five, Lena. Good job. You're so good at this. Yeah. Same thing. You can cut the shapes. and then
Hexagonal.
Yeah, hexagonal. Now, how we can use? Oh my God, those are 7 pieces to complete this hexagon.
So that first one is easy. The big
Again, you have to
triangle.
partial, like line
No.
by line. So big triangle, and then another big triangle. Then the small triangle.
That's the medium.
Oh, medium triangle. Yeah, and then
The small
parallelogram.
tri-
Oh no, the small triangle.
Small.
Yeah,
And then the
parallelogram.
no, and then the square.
And then
Then that's the triangle, and then parallelogram.
here you go. It's completed hexagonal. See, yeah, it looks beautiful. Yeah, add some colors. By after cutting the pieces, you can add. So see you guys next video. Have a good day. Bye.
Bye.